Hi, I'm Ken.
And I'm Eric.
We own Pacific Direct Mortgage, and we are happy to work alongside your company to be your preferred lender for private money.
That's right. For many years now, we've partnered with brokers and lenders, helping them close more deals. We offer that creative financing solution when traditional financing guidelines don't work for the buyer or borrower.
Think of us as an extension of your team. We're here to support. We are not your competition. We help you get that transaction done when timing, income qualifications, or credit issues would normally cause the deal to fall apart.
As your preferred private money lender, we keep it simple. If you have a scenario that doesn't fit your underwriting guidelines, or you just need a fast loan, that's where we come in. Give us a call, email us, we'll get back to you quickly.
We're here to help you and your team fund more loans.